So let's take a look at this spreadsheet. We've got some problems. Columns C and columns D and columns BH have been screwed up. So we need to fix this. How do I just jump back? If you're some crazy place in your spreadsheet and you want to get back to cell A1, push Control Home. Jump your right back. Very helpful. So let's fix column C. I'm going to highlight C7. I'm going to do my Shift End Down shortcut. I'm going to use the Control X cut. I want to paste that header in row 2. So I'm going to highlight C2 and hit Enter. I'm going to do something similar here. I'll scroll down. I'll use the mouse this time. I'm going to select the last row in column D, and I'm going to scroll up. By scrolling up, I hit that limit so I don't accidentally scroll down forever. Now I can do cut, put my cell in D2, and click paste. That's fixed. That's good. How do I jump to that cell on the right? I don't have any keys held down right now. If I hit End and hit the right arrow key, it'll jump to the last non-blank cell in that series. Takes me to AH. If I do that again, there's a bunch of blank cells. If I hit End and hit the right arrow key, it'll jump to the next non-blank cell. So I found that value here. So I'm going to hold Shift and down, Control X, use the arrows, Control V, done quickly. What else does it want me to do? Remove column A. I'll just do this quick because I'll show this in more detail in another video. Fill that down, looks good. But now I've got a late registration. I've got that data. What am I going to do with it? Well, I can paste it here. It's all showing up in this one value. That's not good. If I paste that in here, here's an advanced feature for you. Data, text to columns, delimited by space. Let's finish that. Did it go where it was supposed to go? It looks like it went one to the right, so I'm gonna have to shift that left a little bit. That's good. Make everything look good. Sure, I'm gonna do some format painting here. So my numbers actually look good. Turn on word wrapping for all of those. Make everything look a little bit more decent. Shift and right, select my header, and I'd say that's good enough there. So there's a little tips about copying and pasting data quickly so you can make your spreadsheet look good. Oh, let's change register date. That looks bad right now. I'll just keep the date just like that.